Hi, my name is Brian. I am a web and graphics specialist, and today I am going to show you how to open the Layers Toolbar in GIMP. So if you don't know what the Layers Toolbar is, it's basically this box right here, which shows all the layers that are being used on your open image. This box should be opened automatically when you first open GIMP, but you can close it by clicking on this X here. So once it's closed, how do you get it reopened? Well, you go into the Windows item right here and go into Dockable Dialogs, and you'll have your Layers window that you can click on and open that right here. You also have all the other toolboxes you could potentially open. And I just want you to take note that you can also use the hotkey Control L. So I'm going to click on Layers, open that there, and let's say I close it and I want to use that hotkey to open it. I can just hit Control L on my keyboard, and there it is back again. And one cool thing that GIMP also does, it keeps track of boxes that you recently closed. So if I close out of this and go into Windows, I can go into Recently Closed Docs, and my Layers dialog will be right here that I can click on since I just recently closed it, and it'll pop up right here. So there you go. That's 3 ways that you can open your Layers toolbar in GIMP. My name is Brian, and thanks for watching.